So, welcome back to Sandeep DH education classes. So, today I will discuss an application of WKB approximation method. So, here using WKB approximation you have to calculate the energy level of an electron in a ZD nucleus. So, this is nothing but estimate the energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom. The question is like that. So, here let us consider an electron is bound to the nucleus like a rigid walls. So, which is varies from R is less than or is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to A. So, between these range an electron is bound to the nucleus. So, the momentum of a particle we know that. So, P is equal to square root of 2m into E minus V. Okay? And where E is the total energy and V is the potential energy. So, we know that in the nucleus, for example, let us consider if suppose this is the nucleus and atom, in the center there is a nucleus with represent a charge plus Zd and this is E minus E. So, now the and they are separated by a distance r. So, then the potential energy of this system is V is equal to charge plus Ze and another charge is E divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into the separation distance is r. So, then and minus because plus Ze and minus E is the charge of the electron. So, it will becomes minus. So, therefore, and so we know that by Bohr's quantization condition integration A to B P dx is equal to n pi h cross. So, like that integration here it is varies from 0 to r. So, what is P? Square root of 2m E minus V into dx is equal to n pi h cross. So, now see here integration 0 to r and so therefore, let us take this 2m as a common root 2m and E as a take outside and remaining it is 0 to r. So, and if E comes outside from the here, so it will becomes 1 minus V by E into dx which is equal to n pi h cross. Next, so root of 2m E integration 0 to r 1 minus V is nothing but so minus Z E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into E r into dx is equal to n pi h cross. So, now let us take minus Z E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r is nothing but A. So, then this equation can be written as root of 2m E integration 0 to r varies A varies from 0 to 1. Okay. So, then because when it is 0 it is minimum, when r is maximum it is A. So, next, so here it is 1 by 2. So, therefore, 1 minus A by r whole power 1 by 2 into dx is equal to n pi h cross. Okay. So, next this equation can also be written as integration. So, root of 2m E integration 0 to 1. So, this can be written as if I A minus r, if I take minus as a common, so then it is A by r minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 into dx is equal to n pi h cross. Okay. So, then minus 2m E integration 0 to 1. So, let us take by substitution method. So, for that I am considering So, here I am going to write that, see, if suppose let us take r by a is equal to x, so then dr is equal to dx into a. So, here we are taking in terms of r, so that is why I am going to, so this is dr. So, actually this is the condition. So, integration p dx is equal to n by h cross. So, that is why this dr I am going to write as a dx. So, then dr is equal to dxa. So, therefore, this term is so minus 2me sir is integration 0 to 1 this is E. So, therefore, E, so this A by R is nothing but R by A is nothing but x, means A by R is nothing but 1 by x minus 1 into, so dr is nothing but dx into A. So, that A I am going to write here, so which is equal to n pi h cross. So, then so this integration we have to simplify. So, and again I am going to take a substitution method. So, that is put x is equal to sin theta. So, let us take x is equal to sin square theta. So, then dx is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, right. So, now substitute there. So, therefore, a into root of minus 2me into integration 0 to 1 by sin square theta minus 1 into dx. So, I am going to write this here. So, therefore, minus 2me root of integration. So, then theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, because sin theta is equal to 0 when theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 1 when theta is equal to pi by 2. So, earlier our limits is varies from 0 to 1. So, that is why I am going to take theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 and into 1 divided by sin square theta minus 1 into dx is nothing but 2 into sin theta cos theta d theta, which is equal to n pi h cross. So, then minus 2me root integration 0 to pi by 2. So, 1 by sin square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta minus 1. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write again 1 by 2 here, I missed. So, then it is 1 by 2 and 2 sin theta cos theta, again write that as it is same, 2 cos theta into sin theta d theta is equal to n pi h cross. So, now it is right minus 2me root of integration 0 to pi by 2 cosecant square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot theta. Cot theta, so cot square theta whole power 1 by 2 into 2 cos theta sin theta d theta, which is equal to n pi h cross. Now, let us write the equation as so, therefore, minus 2me root of integration 0 to pi by 2. So, here cot square theta and this 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So, it is cot theta into 2 cos theta into sin theta d theta, right. So, then minus 2me root 0 to pi by 2. So, cot theta is nothing but, so cos theta by sin theta, and here we have 2 cos theta sin theta into d theta, and this cos theta this sin theta and sin theta gets cancelled. So, therefore, which is equal to minus root of 2me integration 0 to pi by 2. So, this is 2 cos square theta d theta. So, therefore, which is equal to n pi h cross and which is equal to n pi h cross. So, therefore, minus, okay, so we know that since integration 0 to length sin square theta which is equal to integration 0 to length cos square theta is equal to length by 2. So, here our length is 0 to pi by 2. So, answer will be pi by 2 by 2. So, therefore, minus root of 2me. So, this 2 write as it is into, so length by 2 integration of sin square theta is equal to integration of cos square theta is equal to, if suppose 0 to length, it is length by 2. For example, it is 0 to L, so then it is L by 2. If suppose this is L by 2, so then it is L by 2 by 2. So, that is L by 4. So, like that here we have 0 to pi by 2. So, therefore, it is pi by 2 by 2. So, which is equal to n pi h cross. So, then which is equal to minus 2me into 2 into pi by 4 is equal to n pi h cross. So, 2 cancel. So, which is equal to minus 2me into, so pi by 2 which is equal to n pi h cross. Next, therefore, so next let us simplify this, we will get minus 2me which is equal to this pi cancel 2n h cross divided by, so if 2 multiply this, so then 2n h cross whole square divided by, and this 2m minus 2m is sent here. So, it is minus 2m. Okay. Next, again sorry, I missed a here. So, a has to come here. So, this is here one more a, and in the denominator let us like here a. So, then it is a square. So, therefore, what is a square? If it is a square means this will also square. So, then a square is nothing but z e square by e 4 pi epsilon naught whole square into e, which is equal to minus 2n h cross divided by 2m. So, this is whole square. So, minus 4 n square h cross square. So, therefore, and this e square and e get cancelled. So, therefore, e is equal to this 2 and this 4 cancel, otherwise. So, e is equal to z square e power 4 divided by n square h cross square m. So, by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square. So, then and it is 4 whole square and 2 gets cancelled and again into 2. If you substitute all the constants here, so a pi value, epsilon naught value and m value and charge of the electron and z charge of the atomic number of the new hydrogen atom, so then we will get E is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt divided by n square. So, this is a ground state energy, energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom. If n is equal to 0, not possible, n is equal to 1, minus 13.6 electron volt is the ground state energy of hydrogen atom.